Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Mohammad Jubair Hussain. My registration number is last two digit 37. My department is Business Administration, Shah Jalal University of Science and Technology, Sylhet. My topic this question 6.5. Suppose that a farm production is Q in the short run where there are fixed cost of 1000 and X is the variable input whose cost is 4000 per unit. What is the total cost of producing a level of? Question A. What is the total cost of producing a level of output Q? Firstly, we just solved this question A. See that total cost of producing a level of output Q given production function Q equal 9x power 1 by 2 their fixed cost 1000 and variable cost input 4000 per unit. We know that total cost is fixed cost plus variable cost. That's why the TC total cost 1000 plus 4000 by 81 Q square. This is the first question answer. And secondly, write down the equation for supply curve. Just solve this question. The supply curve is derived from the marginal cost MC, which is the derived of the total cost. With respect to Q, marginal cost MC equal D into TC by DQ. We just see that D by DQ into 1000 plus 4000 by 81 Q square. We know that the derivative of any constant is 0 because the constant does not change as a Q change. That's why D 1000 by DQ equals 0 and D 4000 by D 81 Q square. This is the 80,000 by 81 into Q. The farm supply curve is given by P equal MC. P equal 80,000 by 81 into P. Thus, the supply curve equation is Q equal 81 into P by 80,000. Now, the C question, if price is 1000, how many unit will farm produce? What is the level of profit at this price? See that given price P equal 1000 and we substitute this into supply curve equation. P equal 81 into 1000 by 80,000 equal 10.125. The farm will produce 10.125 unit of output. Total revenue TR equal P into Q. We just see that 10,125 and total cost is TC 6061.11. The profit TR minus TC, that the profit 4063.89. That's it, my topic.